Here it is. Nice, tasty Sabudana Khichadi. The Sago Khichadi, which is the hot favorite in Indian snacks. It's come out so nice and tasty with each grain separate, and each grain is cooked so well. Take 1 cup Sabudana. Here we add 2 cups of water and we remove all the starch. Drain off the water like this. Okay. Again add 2 cups of water and again take out all the starch. So this is the second wash. Now we add the water for the third time. Remove the starch like this. This makes sure that our sabudana or sago, when we make the khichadi, it will turn out to be nice and loose. All grains will be separate. It won't be sticky. Now we take half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of water. And we cover it and keep it for about 4 to 6 hours. So we heat a pan. We take half a cup of peanuts or shengdana and we roast it. In 5 minutes, you will see that it is roasted like so. You can hear the crackling sound also. Now we are going to switch off the flame and we are going to allow this to cool, and then we are going to grind it coarsely. Now this is the sabudana that we have soaked for about 6 hours. Added salt to this, just adding a little bit of sugar to enhance the taste, and I'm mixing it. This gives a good flavor to your sabudana. So we've added coarsely ground peanuts also in this, then shengdana, and mix it very well so that each and every sabudana or sago piece is coated with the peanut powder, which is coarsely ground. This way the khichadi will come out just right with each sabudana or each sago particle separate. We heat a pan. You can even take kadai. The pan is hot. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of oil, and to that I like to add just a small teaspoon of ghee. That gives a good flavor. Just a teaspoon of jeera. Chopped chili, a small chili, and we add curry leaves. To this we will add our sabudana. And we just lightly fry this. Keep the heat medium high and just make sure that all your sabudana is nicely coated with oil. Stir it well. See there, it's changing its color. Now you can see some of the sago, that is sabudana, has become transparent. See that? Some of it has become transparent. Continue to stir well. Make the flame slow. And now this was on slow fire for about 5 minutes. See how the Sabudana Khichadi has come out so nice with all grains nicely separated. So that now we put off the fire. You can see each grain is nicely cooked and soft. And now I'm going to add the coconut. Now normally what I do is I grate the fresh coconut and I put it in the freezing trays and make like these cubes. So I'm just going to allow this to get incorporated with this. This is my shortcut actually. I should have taken it out and thawed it, but since I was in a hurry, this is my shortcut. The coconut is nearly thawed. Now just mix it well. Automatically it will get mixed. I like to use fresh coconut, so what I do is I grate it and then I put it in the ice tray. If I need it, I just remove it. You can serve it hot for breakfast or even evening snack. Here it is. Nice, tasty Sabudana Khichadi. Try it out today itself and let me know in the comment box. Also do like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.